Introducing the RIDGID RP 350, the most advanced press tool on the market. The new brushless motor is capable of more than 100,000 press cycles with no scheduled maintenance. Endless 360-degree swivel gives you access to the tightest spaces, while enhanced LED lighting lets you see clearly in low-light applications. The RP 350 features maximum versatility. It is compatible with the industry-leading RIDGID Standard Series jaws, rings, actuators, and applications, allowing users to press half-inch to 2-inch PEX, half-inch to 4-inch copper, and half-inch to 4-inch carbon steel, including Press Snap soil pipe cutter and Strut Slayer strut shear head. Its upgraded color-coded light indicators makes operation easy, while its 18-volt advanced lithium-ion battery delivers up to 20% more presses per charge. The RP 350 also pairs with a RIDGID Link app to track tool usage, service needs, battery life, and last known location. It's everything you'd expect from the industry leader in pressing. The RIDGID RP 350 press tool. Unmatched performance, zero timeouts. To learn more, visit rigid.com/RP350 or contact your authorized RIDGID distributor.